got a pile of stuff over here. This is videos waiting to happen. This is from a video that already happened. Lots of stuff in these cups that we don't know what it is. That's what we're fixing to find out. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome in. As you've seen in the intro of this video, I have got stuff piled up all over the place, and I thought it might be at least a little bit entertaining to watch me go through all these cups and straighten up my filming area. All right, y'all, we're going to start with this tray. This is just a little plastic tray that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's really good for keeping track of your pencils and things like that that you're using. But as you see, I've just got lots of stuff in here. So what do we have? This is for my lights that I use for filming. I've got a little pink bag. We're just going to make piles of stuff and see what we find. Binder clip. A notepad with October coloring plans on it. I don't think we need that anymore. We've got a very dirty notepad here, or Post-it notes. We'll just tear the top one off. We have a little tag that I wrote down for one of my finished pages, but I didn't write the page on it. So do I keep this? I don't know. We've got 3 yellow note cards. Lots of things to write on here. I see a trend. I probably started with this and then couldn't find it down here and then grabbed all this, and then this just went by the wayside. This is also for my lights. This is a buddy color with gin. I know what this one is. I think I've been looking for this one. All right, we'll set that to the side. Look, I have a little tiny magnifying glass. I actually need this. I'm gonna be coloring Kirby Rosanna, so I might keep that out where I can find it. Look at all the goodies I'm finding. What is this? This is lead for my mechanical pencils. We'll set that over to the side. We've got some tags that are definitely not sticky anymore. There's a few piled up on this one. We might be able to save a few. Nope, they're not sticky anymore. We have a paper clip. Now it's the end of this. We'll clean this up. On to the cups. The first cup. This is the tags that I will write down what I've done on a page. And I've been wondering where they were. That's where they were. So we'll set them over here on the writing things. We've got a pink highlighter that I don't know if it works. This is just water and mica powder. This is my homemade Wink Stella. It kind of works, y'all. We've got black pens. We'll have to see if these things work. Oh, this is where that was at. This is a white acrylic marker, and I like to use this for dotting things. Couldn't find it. Now I know where it is. We'll set that there. That's just a regular water brush. Jelly roll pen. Just a regular pilot pen. Scissors. All of my little paint brushes. Yeah, I like to use the little ones. This one looks like it could be cleaned. I've used that for glue or something. Wonderful. A pile to wash. Maybe this one too. No, that one looks okay. We've got a Posca. I will definitely be using that. A chalk writer. Yeah, this one's still good. I think this may have been the cup that I kept my white things in. Because you know you always need white things. Jelly roll. Oh, look. Been looking for these too. My highlighter and my pencil. We'll set that right there. A gel crown that's white. Yeah, this must have been the cup that I was using for that. This is actually for nails. It's like to do nail art, like a dotting tool, but they're also good for coloring, getting in really tiny spaces. So this should go with paintbrushes. That's where that'll live. There's still lots in here. Let's see, we've got some blender stumps. This is crazy. We've got just a graphite pencil. We'll put that right there. Pencil extender. Clips. We'll put that with the binder clips. A piece of sandpaper. I think we can part with that. This is a blending tool. That should go with that. There's another blending stump. Chapstick. Actually, this is, I think, EOS. Is that how you say that? You know the ones. And the top of something. We've come to the bottom of this one. Okay, this one doesn't look too terrible bad. I'm going to take this out because I know it's heavy. This is my ruler. More nail brush pens, but pens. These are not pens. Nail brushes, but I use these for coloring because there's all kinds of little tiny ones in there. So we'll put that. I know you can't see all these piles, but I'll show you. Put that over there. We got another paintbrush that's very stiff. That definitely needs to be washed. I have no idea what this is. Is this a colored pencil? Do y'all recognize this? It's pretty flat. I can't see it on this. How about yellow? I can't see it. No idea. We'll put that with the white stuff, I guess. To do sticky notes, these would be great to have in my planner. We'll set that to the side. These are all the colors that I used in, is it Rooms of Wonder, I think, by Johanna Basford. There's a picture in there that I called Kitchen Things. And I used the master art, and these are all of the colors I used in there. Don't know if I need that. Oh, we've got some washi tape with some fruit on it. We've got another blending tool. We've got a little brush. More blending stumps. More stickies, yeah. I wondered how I was going through those so fast. I wasn't. Look at that. I got a whole pack of stickies. Tweezers for, you know, tweezing things. And then we've got a blending stump. We've got quite the pile of that over here. We're at the end of another one. We have 2 more to go, y'all. Is it entertaining? Is it boring? What I am noticing is I have a lot of paintbrushes in these things. You're really close. Let's do that. There's a lot of paintbrushes in all these cups, so apparently I don't want to put my paintbrushes away where I have designated their spot to go. So I think I'm gonna use one of these cups for my paintbrushes so I can like stop doing that. But here's another paintbrush. This one seems pretty clean, so we'll set that over here. Another brush. This is actually a nail brush too, but it's good for the splatter effect. Another paintbrush. I've got another little brush to wipe away the crumbs. A black pen. This definitely needs to be washed. I don't know if I'll be able to get that out of there. That's probably gesso. I'm guessing. Haha. These are clean though, but these are basically paint brushes. We'll put this one where the cleaning ones go. Blender pencils. I don't really know what to do with these because I don't use them, but I should probably put them in a pencil case, I guess. Little kid scissors. So we've got 2 pairs of scissors over here. That's probably black, I'm gonna guess. It may have used to be, but it's no more. We have a brand new Posca pen here. This is white. So is the other one that I pulled out before. We've got an orange highlighter. That's the Jot brand, so I know that came from the Dollar Tree. Another paintbrush. Another clip. This connects something, I don't know what, but we'll just set that underneath my light. Pencil sharpeners. Well, I was gonna show you, but it'll take me 15 minutes to get them out of there. They're these kind. Yeah, there's 2 of them in there. This is from some diamond painting. And that cup is empty. We're getting there. One more. This one also doesn't look too terrible bad. See, I've had this stuff sitting in these cups in front of my filming desk for a long time. I'm like, this will be good to film this because there's so much in there. And then I just kept putting more and more in there. So then I moved it beside my desk so I would start filming it. And I kicked it over, I don't know, at least 32 times. So now that it's all over my desk, I won't be able to film a video unless I clean it up. So yeah, if you're hanging out with me doing this, thank you very much. I got another brush to brush away the crumbs. These are page flags. I'll put those with the sticky notes. We've got some colored pencils in here. The Popiola. I was apparently coloring a picture with this. And I don't know what picture it was, so we'll just be putting that back in their case. Another pair of scissors. And I can never find a pair of scissors. We've got a couple of Sharpies in here, a pink one and a purple one. That'll go in that pile. We've got a blue gel crown. We've got another graphite pencil. I know there's another one somewhere. Haha, I found it. It's over here. We have another blender. This is why I can't find these things, y'all. Well, it was in Rooms of Wonder. I apparently was gonna start my stuff on this one and put it over here, but all right. We got a lighter. Lots of little stuff in here. This is a wax pencil where You could use it for diamond painting, or if you put like gems or something on your nails, you know, it's that kind of thing. Oh, I've got another little pink bag. I think my strawberry shortcake girls came in those. I see danger down here. I've got a tack. Let's make sure we know where that is. Lots of little binder clips. There is a pencil sharpener. That's what's in this. We'll set that where we can find it. And a button. Now let's start putting it away. Man down. This came off right in my hand as I was washing it. Crazy. It's all cleaned up. This is videos waiting to happen. The paint brushes have their own cup. There's some Posca that we're going to do videos on. That's the reason I still have this. I have room to film more videos. Yay. All right, y'all. Everything's all cleaned up. I hope that you found this somewhat entertaining, or maybe it motivated you to organize a spot in your house that needs to be decluttered. But if you stuck around in the video for this long, I appreciate you very much. And I hope you have a wonderful morning or afternoon or evening or wherever you are in the world when you're listening to this. And until next time, y'all, bye.